Hello friend, welcome back to SD Learning and Enjoyment. Today I will share with you 5 common English mistakes that most students make and how to fix them easily. If you want to improve your English speaking and writing, watch till the end. Mistake 1. Wrong use of he don't or she don't. Yes, mistake 1. Wrong use of he don't or she don't. We can see students say he don't play football. This is a mistake word. The correct word is he doesn't play football. Yes, he doesn't play football. Tips. With he, she, it and every third person singular. Always use doesn't instead of done. Mistake 2. Confusing their, thesyre. Here we can see their books are on the table. This is a wrong sentence. Here there means place. So the correct answer is their books are on the table. Here we can see their. This means possession অর্থাৎ অধিকারভুক্ত। এটা সাধারণত পসেসিভ প্রোনাউন, কারো অধিকারে থাকা। And then there. This there means place, কোনো স্থানকে বোঝায়। And then theyer. They are mean তারা নিজেরা। এখানে পার্সনকে বোঝাইছে। So here of course we will have to follow the meaning and their spelling. According to their spelling we have to select them. Mistake 3. Yes, we can see saying I am agree. No, it's wrong sentence. I am agree with you. This is a wrong sentence. The correct is I agree with you. Remember, agree is a verb, so you don't need am before it. So the correct answer is I agree with you, not I am agree with you. Mistake 4. Wrong past tense of irregular verbs. We can see he ran fast yesterday in correct word, and the correct is he ran fast yesterday. Here RUNNED, ran. This is wrong. The past form and participle form of the run is run, ran, run, not runned. That is, always learn irregular verbs forms. Run, ran, go, went, eat, ate. Mistake 5. Using double negative. We can see I don't know nothing. This is incorrect and wrong sentence. The correct is I don't know anything. আমি কিছু জানি না. In English, two negatives make a positive. Use anything instead of nothing. Thanks a lot. To the end, I will say you that these are the 5 common mistakes students make in English. Now you know how to fix them. Tell me in the comments which mistakes have you made before. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SD Learning and Enjoyment for more fun learning videos. See you in the next class. Thanks a lot.